Good morning, students. How are you? Welcome back to our chapter Algebraic Expression and Factorization. Yes, we have started this chapter yesterday and we have revised. What we have revised? What is an expression? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, degree of an expression, like terms, unlike terms. Then we have done addition and subtraction. Okay, moving ahead in that, today we will learn multiplication of expressions. We are having many types of expression like monomial, binomial, trinomial. So first we learn monomial to monomial, then monomial to binomial, then binomial to binomial. So today we will learn how to do multiplication. Let's start. Come. Okay, first is example 1. We have to do multiplication. When we have to multiply 3y square 6x cube y minus 2x square y cube. We have to multiply these three terms and all three are monomials. And seriously, this is very easy. 3y square multiply 6x cube y multiply minus 2x square y cube. Why I am using brackets? Because many of you are not writing x this way. They are writing x this way. If you will write x, then you will confuse by multiplication. So it's better to use the bracket. We'll do 3 into 6 into 2, 12. Minus 12. What we have done first, we have multiplied the numeric part. We have done 3 6 are 18, 18 2s are 36. We have done minus 36. Now we will see y terms. Y square plus 1 plus 3. We have done exponents. Then bases are same, powers will add in multiplication. So we are doing multiplication. Bases are same, we will add the powers. 2 plus 1 plus 3. When nothing is written, it means 1. Then we are having x 3 plus 2. So we will have minus 36 y 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6 x 5. We can write it also this as minus 36 x 5 y 6. Because usually we write x earlier than 1. Okay, so this is our answer. What we have done, we have multiplied first the signs, then the numeric part, then the variable part. Let's do one more example. Minus 3 by 4 y cube x cube multiplied by minus 16 by 9 x square y square. So minus 3 by 4 into minus 16 by 9, then y 3 plus 2 x 3 plus 2, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, minus into minus plus 4 by 3 y 5 x 5 or plus 4 by 3 x 5 y 5. Am I clear? What we have done? We have solved the numeric part, we have solved the sign, then we have solved the variable part also. Next we are having multiplication of monomial by a binomial. It means now we have done both the terms which are both are monomial or all three were monomial, but now one term is monomial and another term is binomial. Let's see that. Example 3. 4y z square by 3y square z plus 4y square z square. It is a binomial, it is a monomial. How to do that? We will use the distributive property. We know it. We'll multiply this by this and plus sign in between. 4yz square into 3y square z plus 4yz square into 4y square z square. 4 into 3, 12, y 1 plus 2, z 2 plus 1, plus 4 into 4, 16, y 1 plus 2, z 2 plus 2. I got 12y cube, z cube, 16y cube, z 4. Is it okay? What we have done? Four y z square, 3y, 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. We have done this and this is our answer. Example 4. Example 4. Multiply 1 by 2 a square b cube plus 3 by 4 ab4 by 12 a square b square. Now we'll have 1 by 2 a square b square multiplied by 12 a square, it is cube, plus 3 by 4 ab4 into 12 a square b square. We can solve it 12 by 2 a 2 plus 2. We can write directly also b 3 plus 2 5. 12 3s are 36 by 4 a cube b 6. We can reduce it 6 a4 b 5 plus 9 a cube b 6. Am I clear? 6 a4 b 5 plus 9 a cube b 6. And this will be our answer. Next is multiplication of monomial by a trinomial. But whether we are having binomial, trinomial, method is always same. But therefore don't get afraid. We have to just follow the same procedure. Example 5. 3x multiply by 7x square plus 3x minus 4. So 3x will multiply by this, by this, by this. And we'll put the sign the way they are here, plus minus whatever we would have. So we'll have 3x into 7x square plus 3x into 3x plus 3x into minus 4. 7 3s are 21x cube, 3 plus 3. 3 3s are 9x square minus 12x. And this is our answer. What we have done? 3 7s are 21, x square plus x1, x3. 3 3s are 9, x1 plus x1, x2. 3 into 4, 12. Minus 12 and x has come here. So this is what we have done. Next we are having multiplication of two polynomials. Means they could be, both of them can be binomial, both of them can be trinomial, or one binomial, one trinomial, they could be anything. But method is always same. So don't get afraid when you look at the answer question. But when there is no sign between two brackets, it means multiplication. I have not put any sign. If I will put plus or minus, then they will be solved according to the sign. But when there is no sign, it means it is multiplication. Now how to do this? We will take the first part, 3a, then this whole, 4a plus 5b. Then I will take this part, minus 4b, 4a plus 5b. Am I clear what I have done? I have taken the first term of first binomial, multiplied by the whole, then second term along with the sign with the whole binomial. I will solve it now. 3a into 4a plus 3a into 5b minus 4b into 4a minus 4b into 5b. I will solve it. 3 4s are 12a square plus 15ab minus 16ab minus 20b square. And both of them are having ab same sign. We will simplify it. 12a square minus ab minus 20b square. And this will be our answer. Okay. I will explain once again what I have done. I have taken the first term multiplied by the whole. I have taken the second term. I have multiplied by the whole. Then this I have done. Then first term into first term. First term into second term. First term into first term. First term into second term. Then I have simplified. Next example, example number 7. P square plus 4q square 2p minus 3q. Again I will take the first term and this whole plus 4q square 2p minus 3q. Then first term into first term, 3p square into 2p plus 3p square into minus 3q plus 4q square into 2p plus 4q square minus 3q. I will simplify it. 3 into 2, 6p cube minus 3 into 3, 9 p square cube plus 8 p q square minus 12 q cube. So this is our answer. Next we are having column method for multiplying two polynomials. We can also multiply by using column method. But that we will do in next class. In this class you have to only practice this much. Now exercise 5.1, question number 1. I am doing only first part and rest of the parts, B, C, D parts are your homework. Exercise 5.1. Question number 1, 7a into minus 5ab. We have to multiply, both are monomials. First we will write the sign, 7 into 5, 35, a square b. You have to complete only question number 1. You have to practice all these questions. Then you have to complete 5.1 question number 1. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.